Mine.
How about in the middle?
No, wait. March.
4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th.
What did you get there?
Well, did you know the middle of 11 is 6? So it would be at...
What'd you get, Samantha?
Turn around and show Mom.
What are you talking about now? Ooh, an art easel.
Cool.
Do you like that?
Alright.
Stand up so I can take a picture of your pretty dress.
Let's go, cheerleaders. Let's go, cheerleaders.
Right on.
Hey,
That's
Samantha. Samantha, what's your address? What's your address? 640
Avenue L Place.
Good job.
Where do we live?
We'll just try to record things you know every year because I don't get it wrote down.